In another big story today, the Senate opened confirmation hearings for the man that President-elect Trump has nominated to be the Attorney General, the nation's chief law enforcement officer, Republican Senator Jeff Sessions of Alabama. In the 1980s, the Senate denied Sessions' nomination to be a federal judge because of accusations of racism. But once he became a senator himself, Sessions voted to extend the Voting Rights Act and supported other civil rights legislation. Nancy Cordes is on Capitol Hill.
Do you swear?
Senator Sessions went first for a reason. As a 20-year veteran of Congress, he was well prepared for pointed questions like this one from Iowa Republican Chuck Grassley.
Will you be able to stand up and say no to the President of the United States if, in your judgment, the law and your duty demands it?
I understand that duty. I've observed it through my years here, and I will fulfill that responsibility.
He was also prepared for this.
Senator Sessions, the racist.
Protesters who interrupted the hearing nearly a dozen times. The Alabama senator has been dogged for decades by accusations that he once made racist statements.
This caricature of me in 1986 was not correct. I did not harbor the kind of animosities and race-based discrimination ideas that I was accused of. I did not.
Republicans came to his defense.
You're a good and decent and honorable man.
Democrats said they are more worried that the deeply conservative Sessions won't be able to enforce laws he opposes. California's Dianne Feinstein.
You have referred to Roe v. Wade as, quote, one of the worst, colossally erroneous Supreme Court decisions of all time, end quote. Is that still your view?
It is. I believe it violated the Constitution and really attempted to set policy and not follow law. It is the law of the land. It has been so established and settled for quite a long time, and it deserves respect, and I would respect it and follow it.
Rhode Island's Sheldon Whitehouse.
Does waterboarding constitute torture?
Congress has taken an action now that makes it absolutely improper and illegal to use waterboarding.
Hello there.
Sessions was the first senator to back Mr. Trump and a vocal Clinton critic. But he made this unexpected promise today about any potential future Clinton investigation.
With regard to Secretary Clinton and some of the comments I made, I do believe that could place my objectivity in question. I've given that thought. I believe the proper thing for me to do would be to recuse myself from any questions involving those kind of investigations.
Sessions said today that he would focus as Attorney General on drugs coming across the border and on bringing down violent crime. Scott, Republicans leaving this day-long hearing said that they felt he had done well enough to get confirmed without any problems.
Nancy Cordes on Capitol Hill. Nancy, thank you.